Hello and welcome to Key to DL for another interesting video. Key to DL means key to driving license. So you will get your concept clear here. Okay, in this video we'll learn about 12 different very important risks. So identification of the risks in your driving is very crucial to pass your driving test in anywhere in the world, not only in Sweden, Germany, Denmark, Netherlands, name any countries in European countries, Greece, Poland, USA, everywhere. So identification of the risks are important to pass your driving test. Okay, so there are 12 different risks in this video and you have to identify what are the risks. Okay, let's go to the risk number 1. And can you identify any risk here? Just try to identify and write in the comment section. Okay, now coming to the risk number 2. Just little bit ahead there is a risk and this is risk number 2. Can you identify this risk number 2? Okay, now coming to the risk number 3, and this is one of the most important risks. Many people don't identify and they do mistake while driving through this type of situations. So going to the left turn and which lane to choose, and this is the one of the most crucial risks. So whether you are going to choose the left lane or right lane and why, and there is a risk behind this situation. Okay, now coming to risk number 4, and this is about changing of lanes. And while you change the lanes, and what is the risk here? Can you identify? Risk number 5. Next is risk number 5, and this risk, because this is a major road and the vehicles maximum allowed speed limit is 60 km/h, and in this coming junction if you want to go right turn or take a right turn, what is the important risk here? What is the risk? Okay, now coming to risk number 6. There is a roundabout coming. There are many risks of course in the roundabout, but in this special roundabout you can see the visibility is clear and there is no car inside. And then what is the risk in terms of your driving test? While you are driving, then what would be the risk? Okay, now coming to the risk number 7. In this case, in this part of the road, can you identify a risk here? Okay, good. Now risk number 8, and this risk number 8 is associated with merging onto a high speed road. And identify, there are many risks, but identify at least one very important risk where you are expected to not to do any mistake while in your driving test. Risk number 9. And what is the risk here? While you exit from your high speed road, there is a risk. And what is the risk? Risk number 10. After you exit. So here is really crucial risk because you don't get time to think about this one, and then you exit with a kind of high speed, and then immediately you see something, a signboard, but then what is the risk? Risk number 11, you have to identify the risk. And now risk number 12. You can see the speed limit 80 km per hour, and then what is the risk? What you should do or what you should not do? I will write all this answer for these 12 risks in the comment section or in the upcoming videos. All the 12 risks which you must not to do with your driving test. So I wish you all the best for your driving test. And risk identification is one of the crucial thing to remember. So any part of the road you drive, you have to identify the risks to convince your examiner to pass you through the driving test. I'll see you in another video with all these risks with the explanation, and see you soon. And Likatil. Hello.